Welcome to our small space showdown. Today, we will be comparing two popular portable washing machines, the BLACK+DECKER BPWM09W and the BANGSON Compact Portable Washer. Both machines are designed for convenience in tight living spaces, but they take different approaches to laundry. Let's dive into their features, specifications, and see which one might be the best fit for your needs. The BLACK+DECKER BPWM09W offers fully automatic operation, allowing you to load your laundry and walk away while it handles the entire wash, rinse, and spin cycle. In contrast, the BANGSON Compact Washer requires manual transfer of clothes between its wash and spin tubs, making it semi-automatic. This difference in automation can significantly impact your laundry experience, especially in terms of convenience and user involvement. When it comes to washing capacity, the BANGSON Compact Washer takes the lead with an impressive 11 pounds capacity per load, allowing you to wash more clothes at once. The BLACK+DECKER BPWM09W, however, has a smaller capacity of 6.6 pounds, which means you'll need to do more loads to wash the same amount of laundry. This makes the BANGSON a better option for larger households or those with heavier laundry needs. Price is always an important factor when choosing an appliance. The BLACK+DECKER BPWM09W is priced at $249, making it a more expensive option. On the other hand, the BANGSON Compact Washer is significantly more affordable at just $139. This price difference can be a deciding factor for budget-conscious consumers looking for a portable washing solution. In conclusion, both the BLACK+DECKER BPWM09W and the BANGSON Compact Portable Washer have their strengths and weaknesses. The BLACK+DECKER offers the convenience of fully automatic operation, while the BANGSON provides a larger capacity and a more budget-friendly price. Consider your laundry needs and living situation when making your choice. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more product reviews.